All right. So the same as any other thing you're getting ready to make on the wheel. Make sure your wheel head's nice and clean. Take any extra chunks of clay that are floating around from the last project. Put them in the sludge bucket. Put your tools ready. The potter's knife, needle tool, 2 natural sponges. All right. And blue rubber kidney. This is my favorite one here. It's nice and flexible. You can bend into any shape. It strengthens the clay up real nice. And you want to have your wire tool ready. No kinks. Nice and clean. All right. That's ready to roll. Nice dry wheel head. All right. Nice clean bottom. Find the center right there. All right. I can tell that's going to be just a little bit too much clay, so I'm going to take that off. Just decided that right at the last second there. And now we're ready to center. Start throwing the walls. Start compressing this clay.